From 𝐏𝐫𝐶 I'm the owner of the company, and today I want to share something with you about how our bodies function and how water affects our bodies. So we're going to do a little experiment here today, because one of the products that we manufacture is called raindrops. Again, it's spelled R-E-I-G-N. Raindrops. There is a YouTube video on how we manufacture this on the YouTube itself. So today we're going to talk about how water affects your body. It's a medical fact that our bodies are over 70% water, and our bodies also contain miles and miles and miles of nerves. And so our brain, to get our body to function correctly, has to use those nerves to send signals to each organ of our body. So today we're going to take a little experiment. I'm going to take some bottled water. You buy these bottles from the supermarket. This particular one is called spring water, and there's nothing wrong with the spring water. I'm sure it came from a spring originally. What they don't tell you is that it's no longer spring water, because it's gone through a reverse osmosis filtration system, and it has to do that by law before they can sell it. So when it goes through that system, the filtration system strips the water of all of its memory, it strips it of all of its nutrients, of the electrolytes and the minerals. So what have we got? We have 100% dead water in this little tumbler. What I'm going to do, I've connected up this little system that I've rigged up, and we're going to close the circuit. We're going to complete the circuit by, I've switched it on, we're going to complete the circuit by connecting these two probes together. All right? And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the probes into this tumbler of water, and you'll notice that nothing happens. Why? Because the water is dead and cannot complete the circuit, because there's no minerals in it. So I'm going to take a few drops of this mineral concentrate that we manufacture. I'm going to put the probes back in the water. You'll notice the bulb doesn't come on. I'm going to drop a few drops of the mineral concentrate, and you'll notice that the light bulb has now come back on again. Okay, what is that telling us? That without the minerals in the water, the water cannot conduct electricity. It cannot convey the electricity. And so what our bodies, they have the nervous system in our bodies, and that those nerves contain water. Now, if we do what we're told and drink plenty of water, it's supposed to be good for us. And what this water will do, it's dead water. So it might quench your thirst, it might flush you somewhat, but that's all it's doing. It's not putting anything back into your body. So what we do, we've manufactured this mineral concentrate, and you can go down to the supermarket and buy this bottle of water which is dead. It's really not doing anything for you. And you can put a few drops of the concentrate into here, and what will it do? It will turn it back into the likes of the spring water, because it's putting 84, and that's what this bottle contains, 84 different minerals and macronutrients. It's putting it back into this water along with electrolytes, so that your body can once again function correctly. I am convinced today that so many neurological problems especially are caused by not a disease or a sickness. It's just by purely a lack of minerals, a lack of nutrients, a lack of electrolytes in our body. So put the required minerals and electrolytes back into your body today by going online and ordering one of these bottles from us. That's 𝐏𝐫𝐶. Give your body the minerals and electrolytes that it needs to function properly. Thank you. I'm Gordon from 𝐏𝐫𝐶.